Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from Bingx to your Easypaisa account. So make sure to follow this process step by step, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. So the first thing is just open the application called Bingx or Bingx Pro, and once you're into the application you will be at the home section of this application, seeing all your like crypto and amount available into this application. So once you're on this section, just do not click here. You will be seeing like home, markets, futures, spot, and assets. So from this option, like below section, click on the assets on the most right side, and once you click on the assets you will be seeing like the total amount, like your total asset. As you can see, I don't have any USDT, so that is written 0, but for you that will not be 0, that will be something like the amount of USDT that you have. And from here you can see the option like deposit, withdraw, transfer, or convert. So just click on withdraw, and once you click on withdraw you can select the coin or the currency that you have in your like mobile phone or like in your wallet. So let's say for me that is USDT, so click on USDT, and from here you can like choose either internal transfer or on-chain withdrawal. So just click on on-chain withdrawal, and from here you can just paste the USDT address onto this section, choose the network. For me, like let's say TRC20, and after that just write down the withdrawal amount. Let's say I want to withdraw like 20 USDT. Click on done and click on withdraw. Once you click on, like, make sure to enter the address and enter the right amount of USDT, and after that click on withdraw. And once you click on it you will be able to withdraw from Bingx easily, and that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.